Leslie here. We're gonna come down to our mats for a quick booty burn. If you have a looped resistance band, I want you to grab onto that. If you don't have one, don't worry about it. You're still gonna feel all the burn. But if you've got one, go get it. And let's slip into it. So we're slipping it above the knees. 1 or 2 inches, really important that it doesn't sit on the joint, right? So just above the knee. All right, lay it flat. Good, let's come all the way down to the back. On our mats, we're gonna scoop in through the belly. So finding that core connection, pulling your heels in so they're in line with the knees. Good, we're gonna send our hips to the sky. Good, so squeezing into the glutes. We're gonna take it down 2 counts. So down for 2, lift. Good, lower for 2. Exhale, lift 2 more. Down, nice and slow to start. And up, last one, down. Good, let's go single counts here. We tap, we lift, so all the weight is in the heels, right? We're shooting that tailbone out towards the knees. Good. And we're not feeling this in low back, right? It's all about those glutes. Good. So if we need to lower the hips slightly towards the mat, that's great. Do it. 4 more. Let's go for 4. Good. 3. Squeeze. 2. Holding nice and high. Little pulse at the top. We lift. Good, so the pulse is really coming from the squeeze of the glutes, right? It's not a deep arch in the back. It's not throwing the hips to the sky. It's a nice, deep, focused squeeze. You got it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Good, now watch me. Let's tap down and lift, and then go out and in. Good, tap, lift, out, in. So turning on the side of the bum, feeling those glute meads a little deeper. Tap, we lift, we reach, pull it in. Good. Nice. Out and in. Let's go for 4 more. Reach and center. 3. Good. Last 2. Nice. Last one here. Tap. Good, let's go out an inch and in. So 1 tiny inch, opening the knees wide to the side, keeping those hips high, holding the squeeze in the glutes, out and in. You got it, 4 more. 4, and then we pulse. 3, good. 2, holding out, tiny little presses, tiny little pulse, out. Woo, there's that burn we know and love. Press. You got it. Let's go for 8. 6, 4, 3. Now come through center, tap, tap, lift. Let's tap down and then lift. So bum straight down and up, all the way to the mat, adding a double tap at the bottom again. Weight is in those heels. Squeeze deep, tap, tap, lift. Nice, let's go for 4 more. Good, 2. Hold high, little pulses up to the sky. Good, squeezing and lifting. Nice, again, thinking about that tailbone lengthening towards the knees. Let's go for 8, 6, good, 4, 3, 2, hold the hips nice and high. Let's lift the right toe off the ground. Extend the right leg long. Good, start a tiny pulse, so all the weight is in that left foot. Lift. Good. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Gently lower that right foot to the ground. Good, weight comes into the right foot, lengthen out through the left toe. Start a tiny pulse. Lift. Good, hips to the sky. Press down through the right foot for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Set that left foot down. Good, let's drop an inch and lift. So just halfway to the mat. Good, option here to come up onto those toes to finish off the burn with a little intensity. Lower, exhale, lift. Make those squeezes deep. Inhale down, exhale up. Let's go for 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Good, at the top, we pulse. Tiny little squeeze of the glutes. Good. You can barely see them, but you can feel them. Oh my gosh, yes you can. For 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Gently, slowly release the heels, release the bum down towards the mat. Draw your knees in towards your chest. Take a little rock side to side, releasing in your low back. Whew. Ooh, feeling all that bum burn. Awesome job. I hope you're feeling it.
Hey Bar Babes, it's Ella here. I hope that you enjoyed that workout. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications on our next bar workout. See you soon.